Ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all of us. To our ever supportive members of the Board of Directors, our loyal parents, fellow teachers, school staff, and students. Welcome to Binabakti Christian School Matthews Program Commencement Exercises. Today is a day of a momentous occasion, for it marks another step that every person must undertake to open the next chapter of their lives. It is a great honor for me to be here to this special event, which is one of the highest points of the academic year, because today we celebrate the accomplishments of our dear students. To respect and honor our country, may we request everyone to please stand as we sing our national anthem, Indonesia Raya. And please remain standing for the singing of our school song, Himna Binabakti.
Binabakti Christian School, that the place where we all can study well, built for a better generation. Independent is our goal. Ethics, social study, and discipline, put the truth first in our life. Innovation, improved achievement, persistence, them on our mighty God. Polite behavior, good manners, creates welfare in the nation to be proud. God's words, prayer, path of life, way of living. Be grateful, praise and worship to the Lord of the mighty
To my colleagues in Binabakti Christian School, to our parents, and most especially to our graduating students, A pleasant day to you all. I am praising God for this day, as we all rejoice with our students who have completed their education at their respective level. All these things certainly did not just happen, but are obtained through conquering many challenges and trials. Along the way, I would like to say thank you to our educators for their all hard work in guiding our students to achieve success. Let it be year after year to continue increase their professionalism as educators so that all graduates of Bina Bhakti Christian School could graduate with quality education and who are able to compete and work heads up to challenges of the work today. Let me say thank you also to the parents who have instructed their children to be educated in this institution. Our parent trust in the school will continue to be held so that with their support, it will make our school more advanced and qualified. And to our graduates and students in the 9th and 12th grade, I congratulate you. Keep learning and achieve the best in life. Life is a struggle. Never stop learning and achieve all your dreams. We ask the board of directors, parents, and teachers, we always pray for your success and above all, your Christian character in all aspects of life. Once again, I congratulate all of us. Enjoy this graduation program. Good day and God bless us all.
Good morning, board members, teachers, parents, and the graduate. We thank God for His blessing in our student graduation 2021. We thank God for the internet that we can use for graduation today. At this time, Bina Bhakti Christian High School 2 would like to thank all board members for every support to our school, especially online learning facilities during COVID-19 pandemic situation. And at this moment, as the principal of Bina Bhakti Christian High School 2, notify the Foundation of Christian Education that after the evaluation based on the requirement for graduating, all students at 9th grade and 12th grade are qualified to be declared as graduate. Thanks to the teacher who have taught this graduate for 3 years at junior high school and for 3 years at senior high school. And now, please allow me to congratulate the graduate. Graduate, your goal isn't finished yet. You are going to face a new challenge at a higher level of education that really needs of self-discipline, perseverance, and diligence. For 9th grader, you are going to leave your classroom at junior high school, and for 12th grader, you are going to leave your classroom and also your teacher at high school. Please forgive your teacher and me. Maybe in the last time, we made you disappointed, we blame you, or gave you the tension. Do you know the reason? We gave you the tension or blame you because we love you. Let all teaching and character building have been given by the school will guide you and help you for face the challenge in the wider society. It is an honor for us and your teacher if one day we find you is not only a successful person, but also a God-fearing person who loves the Lord. Be blessed in reaching a higher education, a higher dream. Our prayers be with you. And finally, congratulations to all of you. We miss you and God bless you. Thank you.
Selamat pagi, Bapak, Ibu, Saudara yang dikasihi Tuhan. Terima kasih atas kesempatan memberikan sambutan selaku wakil dari orang tua murid. 3 tahun di SMA Bina Bakti program Matius, dan mungkin bagi beberapa siswa lebih dari itu, lebih dari 3 tahun. Ada yang 6 tahun atau bahkan 12 tahun. Bukan merupakan waktu yang singkat. Begitu pula yang dirasakan orang tua, para murid pada umumnya. Namun demikian, kita bersyukur telah diperkenan melewati masa-masa yang tidak mudah dalam diri anak-anak kami, secara khusus ketika harus menghadapi pandemi dalam kegiatan belajar mengajar. Dalam kesempatan ini, saya mengaturkan terima kasih kepada pihak sekolah, siapapun, pada pihak yayasan, kepala sekolah, teristimewa para guru yang telah memberikan bimbingan, belajar, dan pendidikan. Semua perjuangan dan usaha yang telah dilaksanakan pihak sekolah tidak akan sia-sia. Dan kehadiran Sekolah Bina Bakti program Matius sungguh-sungguh merupakan berkat bagi kami. Sebagaimana yang telah kami ketahui sejak awal, bahwa program Matius sangat menekankan pendidikan berbasis nilai-nilai sikap iman Kristiani yang diterjemahkan dalam berbagai kegiatan di setiap mata pelajaran. Nah, bagi saya sendiri, hal inilah yang paling penting dan akan sangat berpengaruh dalam membekali siswa-siswa di masa mendatang. Ketika mereka akan menghadapi tantangan, bahkan kesulitan-kesulitan di masa depan, nilai-nilai inilah yang akan menjadi dasar berpikir, bersikap, dan berperilaku mereka. Kami yakin jika nilai-nilai tersebut sungguh-sungguh meresap dan menginspirasi para siswa di masa depan, mereka akan menjadi pribadi yang tangguh dan bahkan unggul. Karena itu kami berharap Sekolah Bina Bakti program Matius dapat mempertahankan nilai-nilai pendidikan ini. Tidak mudah tergoda untuk menjadi sekolah yang keren, yang top, yang unggul secara akademis, namun tidak memberikan dan membekali siswa dengan pembentukan mental dan rohani yang dibutuhkan. Kita bisa belajar dari sejarah pendidikan, baik di dalam maupun di luar negeri. Pada akhirnya, pembangunan mental dan rohanilah yang paling dibutuhkan dalam membangun karakter masyarakat yang unggul dan berguna. Nah, tentu saja kita tidak boleh menganggap sepele dan meremehkan peningkatan mutu akademis sekolah. Saya percaya pihak sekolah akan terus meningkatkan dan menyesuaikan peningkatan mutu akademis dengan berbagai cara. Doa kami Sekolah Bina Bakti, khususnya program Matius, dapat terus bertahan, berkembang, dan sungguh-sungguh menjadi berkat bagi banyak orang. Tantangan dan hambatan akan tetap ada, dan jangan-jangan semakin besar. Namun kita tahu Tuhan akan menyertai anak-anak Tuhan yang setia. Semoga Tuhan akan memberikan hikmat dan kemampuan bagi para pimpinan sekolah dan juga di dalam memperbaiki segala kekurangan ataupun kelemahan. Dan doa kami semoga tetap kuat menghadapi segala tantangan ke depan. Tuhan memberkati.
A medal expresses achievements, victory, and honor. Few moments from now, our graduates are going to receive their medals as an evidence of their effort, labor, and diligence throughout their course of study in our institution. For the giving of medals, may we ask our respective parents to hand over the medals and certificates as we call the names of our graduates. This act also symbolizes that our dear graduates has completed all their requirements, which is set by the standards of our school and also by the Ministry of Education. Caleb Gabor Wijaja. Catherine Yvonne Carnaga. Celine Gunawan. Daryl Banda Marga. Fibula Crystal Gumargana. Gilbert Christian Wibawa. Grace Theodora Sotanto. Jefferson Farrell Gunawan. Kenneth Simukar Ho. Kenzie Aurelius Sedeli. Nathaniel Setiora Harjo. Rebecca Kate Barber. Rainer Eugene Cartono. Sean Patrick. Van Chasha Kathleen. Wesley Philip Emmanuel. Adeline Lorencia Hidayat. Kainerich Ridson Tirtaryandi. Cheryl Alicia Sally, Cliff Bennett Bustiandi, Cyrus Jason Saputra, Darren Sean Matthew, Albert Wang, Elizabeth, Isabel Mariah Barber, Jason Villarreal Wijaya, Kaylin Abigail Saputra, Kevin James Sitiadi, Kevin Johannes Pratama, Kevin Yoshi, Caris Eldwin Lawanto, Matthew Ken Susanto, Richard Alexander Leonardi,
Baru saja berakhir hujan di sore ini, menyisakan keajaiban kilauan indahnya pelangi. Tak pernah terlewatkan dan tetap mengaguminya. Kesempatan seperti ini tak akan bisa dibeli. Bersamamu ku habiskan waktu, senang bisa mengenal dirimu. Rasanya semua
begitu sempurna, sayang untuk mengakhirinya. Melawan keterbatasan, walau sedikit kemungkinan, takkan menyerah untuk hadapi, hingga sedih tak mau datang lagi. Yeah. Bersamamu ku habiskan waktu, senang bisa mengenal dirimu. Rasanya semua begitu sempurna, sayang untuk mengakhirinya. Janganlah berganti, janganlah berganti, janganlah berganti. Tetaplah seperti ini. Oh, janganlah berganti, janganlah berganti. Halo guys, tetaplah seperti ini.
Hai semuanya, gak kerasa ya udah 3 tahun kita barengan. Rasanya kayak baru kemarin kita tuh masuk SMP, tapi sekarang kita udah mau lulus aja. Makasih banyak buat kenangannya selama 3 tahun ini. Aku ngerasa seneng banget bisa ketemu sama kalian, bisa temenan sama kalian. Dan juga ngerasa grateful banget gitu bisa barengan sama kalian selama 3 tahun ini. Aku juga ngerasa seneng banget bisa sekolah di Matius, karena di sini tuh seru banget, guru-gurunya asik, teman-temannya asik, sekolahnya juga enak, environment-nya. Jadi sekali lagi makasih banyak buat kenang-kenangannya. Happy graduation.
Hai, gua Nathan dan ini kesan-kesan saya selama bersekolah di sini. Jadi kesan-kesan saya itu selama bersekolah di sini itu sangat menyenangkan. Ada banyak hal yang nggak bisa saya lupakan. Semua teman-teman dan guru-guru sangat baik. Semuanya ramah dan udah kayak kerasa keluarga sendiri. Jadi sekolah ini tidak hanya membantu saya berkembang secara akademik, tapi sekolah ini juga membantu saya berkembang menjadi lebih dewasa dan lebih kreatif. Sekolah ini juga membantu saya memiliki karakter yang jauh lebih baik dari sebelumnya. Ya intinya gue sayang banget sama sekolah ini. Dadah.
A warm welcome to all of us, especially to our students and guests. We could not deny the fact that all of us were severely affected by this pandemic. With that being said, we would like to inform everyone that we are abiding the rules and regulations set by the Republic of Indonesia. Here are the criteria of graduation from Bina Bakti 2 Christian High School Matthews program. The student is declared passed in the school year 2020-2021 after fulfilling the following. First, having completed all school subjects, having school reports from semesters 1 to 6. Second, acquiring predicate good for attitude or behavior as assessed by the school. Third, taking part in written final school exams, practical exams, submitting tasks or portfolios as assigned by each teacher with the composite grade of 70. After considering the above requirements, on behalf of us, we are proud to say that this school year 2020-2021, with God's grace and guidance, we achieved 100% passing. The average grade for MIPA is 83.73. The highest grade is 98. The lowest grade is 70. The average grade for IPS is 82.3. The highest grade is 95. The lowest grade is 70. Today, we also recognize the deserving few who have excelled in their academics for 3 years. The best academic achievement for MIPA. This award is given to Vanessa Josephine Matea. The best academic achievement for IPS. This award is given to Emilyn Febliohara Lukman. After observing the students' character development while studying in this school based on the Matthews criteria, namely independent, active, obedient, innovative, perseverant, and polite, the Matthews Character Award is given to Anastasia Josephine Saputra from MIPA class and Kepai Hanogi from IPS class. I congratulate all our graduates and awardees.
Good morning to the principal, fellow teachers, parents, and my beloved students. As the class guardian of 12th grade Social Studies program, I thank God because God is with us and guide us through the challenging school year. I know that all of you have struggled this school year. Doing the online learning process is certainly not easy. You have learned not only to gain knowledge academically, but you also have learned self-management, how to manage your time, how to study independently, learn to be more patient, and even you are growing stronger. Today is the time for you to celebrate your graduation. I congratulate on your success. My message is that you will still uphold the Christian values that you have received while in high school. Remember every word of God that you have learned. Make God's words as the guidance that will guide your next steps. Keep fighting diligently at the next level of education. Do your best and keep relying on God. I always pray for your success. See you on top. Jesus bless you.
Emilyn Febliohara Lukman. Calista Nicole. Darren Anthony. Gavin Rinaldi Irwan. Kedi Sugiarto. Kepai Hinogi. Nicholas Andrew. Wicaksana. Sally Chang. Yarin Kumara.
MIPA class year 2020-2021 is a special batch. This class has become the first MIPA batch that has experienced a lot of things for the first time. Undergoing one whole year of online class, passing the final year without the much anticipated study tour, working on their research paper at home with less supervision from their advisors, online tryouts, not to mention final practical exams at home, and many other things. This pandemic made this class to be tough in different ways. It made them tough by not giving up with their huge amount of assignments, finding ways to understand the lesson even though it's difficult, because of distant learning procedure. They also learned to manage their time wisely. They've got each other's back even though during these social distancing protocols. Hopefully, this precious experience will be a memorable part of your life, which enables you to grow processing the Matthews characters: independent, active, obedient, innovative, perseverant, and polite. This pandemic hasn't ended yet. We still don't know what will happen on ahead, but keep holding on to what the Bible says. 1 Timothy chapter 4, verse 12. Don't let anyone look down on you because you are young, but set an example for the believers in speech, in conduct, in love, in faith, and in purity. You may have graduated from Matthews, but be a Matthews of character which shines wherever may God put you. God bless you.
Anastasia Josephine Saputra. Emilia Carta Santana. Ferdinand Brandon Nazario. Ivana Leonita. Javier Matthew Alvaro. Kelvin Sebastian. Nathaniel Sean Lim. Maria Zerlinda. Sharon Avinca. Shirley Carolina. Vanessa Josephine Mathia.
Sungguh, pagi yang indah. Sinar matahari yang kurasakan, kicau burung yang kudengar. Oh Tuhan, betapa aku bersyukur atas karya-Mu. Aku bersyukur atas hidup yang telah kujalani hingga saat ini. Aku jadi teringat, kala itu aku memantapkan langkahku untuk memasuki sekolah ini. Aku merasa bahwa aku telah disambut dan diajak untuk turut menjadi keluarga Bina Bakti. SMP dan SMA Kristen 2 Bina Bakti, sekolah di mana aku dipercayakan untuk bertumbuh, untuk berkembang, dan menyalurkan semua inspirasiku. Tempat ini adalah tempat aku di mana bertemu dengan orang baru, berkenalan dengan mereka, hingga menjadi sebuah pertemanan. Bahkan seperti layaknya keluarga sendiri. Tidak sampai di situ saja. Tanpa kusadari, seluruh warga sekolah ini telah menjadi bagian dari kehidupanku. Kini, aku mengibaratkan diriku seperti metamorfosis seekor kupu-kupu. Aku yang berproses, aku yang berubah, aku yang berkembang seiring berjalannya waktu.
He really wanted to have a discount, but he didn't have it. So he decided to walk the child to prepare for digital action. Stress causes a number of reactions.
How curious. I never realized that already.
Perjalanan panjang ini pun tentunya tidak terlepas dari orang-orang yang sangat kucintai. Salah satunya, orang tua. Papa, Mama, tanpa kalian, aku tidak bisa ada sampai hari ini. Terima kasih atas semua perjuangan yang telah kalian berikan untuk aku. nasihatmu yang menguatkan aku, doa dan cinta kasihmu yang selalu kurasakan telah mengantarkan aku sampai di sini. Kedua tangan hangat kalian yang kurasakan semasa kecil akan terus menemani untuk melanjutkan ke jenjang berikutnya. Pada hari ini, seekor ulat itu telah berubah menjadi kupu-kupu. Kupu-kupu yang ingin terbang mengepakkan sayapnya dan siap menghadapi hidup ke depannya.
Kesannya saya di sini udah beberapa tahun, udah lama banget, sampai bosan dari TK ke SD, SMP sampai SMA. Saya di sini bisa belajar dari akademik, saya dapat banyak banget untuk akademik, juga untuk karakter saya diajarin Matius, mandiri, aktif, taat, inovatif, ulet sama sopan. Kalau untuk pesannya mungkin Bina Bakti ke depannya bisa makin maju lagi, makin oke lagi, baik dari membimbing siswa-siswi, baik dari akademiknya maupun dari karakternya juga bisa lebih mandiri, aktif, taat, inovatif, dan juga sopan.
Halo, saya Kepai Hanogi dari 12 IPS. Saya udah lebih dari 12 tahun bersekolah di sekolah ini, dan saya sudah mengalami banyak momen-momen di sekolah Kristen Bina Bakti ini, mulai dari yang sedih sampai yang senang saya udah lewati. Di sekolah ini saya dididik dari saya nggak bisa apa-apa sampai saat ini saya udah mau lulus. Saya benar-benar suka dengan cara pendidikan guru-guru di sini, dan saya berharap sekolah ini kedepannya bisa jauh lebih baik lagi, jauh lebih berkembang lagi, dan juga bisa terus mendidik generasi-generasi berikutnya.
Halo semuanya, nama saya Anastasia dari kelas 12 IPA yang sekarang udah lulus. Kesan saya selama belajar di Matius tuh saya sangat bahagia. Soalnya guru-gurunya bersahabat semua, terus gaya belajarnya juga enak, terus persahabatannya juga friendly dan semuanya oke. Dan untuk pesannya ke depannya, paling untuk yang masih belajar online, tetap antusias dalam belajar, dan juga tetap menjaga persahabatan. Dan untuk teman-teman saya yang udah lulus juga, tetap semangat menjalani kuliah, dan see you guys on top.
Alumni Pledge. As alumni of Bina Bakti Christian School, we promise we will keep the good name of Bina Bakti Christian School wherever we go. We will hold all education firmly, be honest, well and rightly, based on the Word of God that has been taught toward us. We will do our best to apply knowledge and skill that we have got for society, nation, and also human fellow goodness.
dalam harapmu, kau sebut namaku di dalam segala hal. Namaku di hatimu, tak dapat ku balas cintamu ayahku. Takkan ku lupakan nasihatmu ibu. Hormati orang tuamu agar lanjut umurmu di bumi. Terima kasih ayah dan ibu, kasih sayangmu padaku, pengorbananmu meneteskan peluh untuk kebahagiaanku. Tuhan lindungi ayah ibuku, dalam doaku berseru, tetes air mata yang kau tabur di tuai bahagia. Tak dapat ku balas cintamu ayahku, takkan ku lupakan nasihatmu ibu. Hormati orang tuamu agar lanjut umurmu di bumi. Terima kasih ayah dan ibu, kasih sayangmu padaku, pengorbananmu meneteskan peluh untuk kebahagiaanku. Tuhan lindungi ayah ibuku, dalam doaku berseru, tetes air mata yang kau tabur di tuai bahagia.
Dear fellow graduates, families, teachers, and friends, I welcome you all to Bina Bhakti Matius graduation ceremony. It is my honor to deliver this commencement speech today. First and foremost, I would like to thank God for giving us this opportunity to once again enjoy the blessing of life. Next, I would like to thank and appreciate to all who have given their effort and commitment to make this event possible. Lastly, I would like to thank all my teachers, friends, and family for all the support and encouragement that shaped me into the person I have become today. I stand before you looking back on 3 years of legacy and memories we all made and shared together. Despite all the ups and downs, I am proud to say that we did it. We've succeeded to push through all the odds and made it to the end. Now, looking back, I find it amazing how something as simple as time can change so many things. How is it that 3 years could change a stranger into my best friend that I cherish and love? How is it that 3 years could change someone I hate into someone that I will miss dearly? Isn't that astonishing? To all my fellow classmates, allow me to share some precious moments that are planted deep in my heart and too memorable to forget. Remember when in 10th grade, we had to experience the Lembang farming life with Bu Ike? There were so many things that happened. However, my fondest memory was when we were all having fun on the bus ride home. I remember how I felt so happy and lucky to be able to experience this feeling of liveliness with such great friends. It is now time, fellow graduates, to say our goodbyes and farewell. It has been a pleasure to be able to spend 3 years of my life with all of you. While the future may be filled with uncertainty, and you might even feel uneasy, rest assured that in the end, everything will turn out okay. Remember how 3 years ago you weren't sure you were going to make it? Look at where you are right now and remember this moment for a lifetime. This moment isn't just about graduating, it's about celebrating how far you've come in life and a reminder that despite all the impossible, victory is possible as long as you believe in yourself. Just as what Abraham Lincoln once said, the best way to predict your future is to create it. We too must remember to work hard to make our future goals and dreams come true. To close, I would like to quote from Deuteronomy 31 verse 6. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them. For the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Thank you.
Datang akan pergi, lewatkan berlalu, ada kan tiada bertemu, akan berpisah.
Awal kan berakhir, terbit kan tenggelam, pasang akan surut bertemu, akan berpisah.
Hey, sampai jumpa di lain hari, untuk kita bertemu lagi. Ku relakan dirimu pergi, meskipun ku tak siap untuk merindu, ku tak siap tanpa dirimu. Ku harap terbaik untukmu.
Untuk anak-anak kelas 9 dan kelas 12, kalian sangat luar biasa ya. Dan pesan dari saya untuk kalian, ini bukan akhir dari segalanya, tetapi ini adalah awal dari segalanya ya. Kalian tetap semangat untuk belajar, raihlah cita-cita kalian dengan pendidikan yang tinggi.
Akan pergi, lewatkan berlalu, ada kan tiada bertemu, akan berpisah. Awal kan berakhir,
terbit kan tenggelam, pasang akan surut bertemu, akan berpisah.
Sampai jumpa di lain hari, untuk kita bertemu lagi. Ku relakan dirimu pergi, meskipun ku tak siap untuk merindu, ku tak siap tanpa dirimu. Ku harap terbaik untukmu.
Selamat telah menyelesaikan studi di SMA. Pesan saya, 1. Ingat untuk selalu takut akan Tuhan. 2. Berusaha dan berjuang sekuat tenaga. 3. Selalu berlaku jujur dimanapun. 4. Bagikan berkat yang kita terima pada orang lain. Niscaya Tuhan akan menambahkan berkat itu untuk kita.